You've probably asked yourself at least one of these questions. Should I delete a bad video? Can I live stream when nobody's watching? Do longer videos actually make more money? Hi, I'm Jim. I'm a creator over 50 and I've learned a lot of lessons the hard way. Today I'm sharing the 15 questions I get most often and the answers I wish somebody would have told me when I was starting out. So let's just get into it. No fluff, just real talk. Question number 1. Should I delete a bad video? No. Just let YouTube test it again. Just improve the title and thumbnail. One of my worst videos sat flat for months. And then I took it out of nowhere. Changed the title and thumbnail, and boom. Then it took off out of nowhere. Don't pull the plug too soon. Question number 2. Should I remix old videos into shorts? Yes. If there's a strong moment worth clipping, it's fast content. And shorts can bring you new eyeballs that'll eventually land on your full videos. Question number 3 is a big one. Should I live stream if nobody shows up? Yes. Talk to the replay. The one person that finds your live after it's over, it might become your next biggest supporter. Don't wait for the audience to show up before you start creating. You're going to play for the replay because that's where most of your views are going to come from. Question number 4 is, should I start a second channel for unrelated content? And I would say not in the beginning. Keep it all on one channel for a while until you figure out what your audience is really into, what it actually wants. And if something takes off in a new direction, you can always pivot. It's hard enough doing one channel. You don't want to try doing 2 or 3 channels like me. Can I pre-record videos before launching my channel? Absolutely. Recording in advance, helps you stay consistent without pressure. And don't overthink them into never releasing anything. Progress beats perfection. Question number 6, should I label my video as a podcast? Okay, everybody has a podcast, only if it's long form and audio first. They can't see B-roll on a podcast. The podcast category is useful, but not every video is intended to be a podcast. You want to save that label for series style content. Can I use iMovie? Yes, use whatever helps you create without frustration. iMovie is simple, clean, gets the job done. If you're focused on story and clarity, the software won't hold you back. Like CapCut or just any editor, just get started. Pick one to learn. Question number 8 is, should I combine a tutorial series into one long video? Great strategy. 5 5-minute videos can become one solid 25-minute binge-worthy guide. And chapters, they'll help keep it easy to navigate. Question number 9, everybody wants to know this one. Do longer videos really make more money? They can, if they hold the attention, right? Again, watch time. You need an 8-minute video to unlock the mid-roll ads, but retention is really the key. A tight 9-minute video will always beat a boring 30-minute video. Question number 10 is, should I put my email in the About section? Yes, but not the email tied to your YouTube login. You want to keep security there. Create a business-only email and keep your real info safe, especially from spam and phishing attempts. Question 11, right, is what matters more, views, watch time, or subscribers? That's a big question everybody wants to know. For monetization, YouTube cares about watch time and subscribers. Okay, for actual income and growth, watch time wins. If people stick around, YouTube will keep recommending your videos. Question 12, should I script my videos or just talk? Script your hook, you outline the rest. You want to sound like a person, okay, not a robot. But rambling loses viewers, so know where you're going before you hit record. Question number 13 is, can I reuse my content on other platforms? Absolutely. Trim your full video into shorts for TikTok and Reels. It's one idea, all right? Many formats. Work smarter, not harder. 14, right? We're up to 14. How do you know what content to double down on? Check your analytics, right? A high click-through rate and a strong retention. Make more like that. Your audience is going to tell you what works. Don't ignore them. Question number 15. Should I re-upload a video that didn't perform well? No. You're better off tweaking the title and thumbnail. That's going to get the algorithm to look at your video again. Deleting and re-uploading resets all the progress you've already made and wastes any data YouTube already has. So every creator has questions. If you're over 50 and building something from scratch, you're not behind, you're just getting started. If this helped, share it with somebody who's stuck. And if you got your own question, drop it in the comments. I answer every single one.